relieved to see you unscathed. I was pleased to hear that you did well at the Red Knight's bugbear raid, but you know I would never have approved of this excursion. I can see that these fetters are frustrating you. Come to think of it, it's already been a decade since we hid away on this remote island to escape our pursuers. Very well then. If you can manage to become an official knight, I'll be able to rest at ease even if I give you free rein. Still, you must keep a go visit Sir Valton. He can explain the appointment ceremony.
Under attack!
We Red Knights have protected the Talking Isle for generations as proud royal knights. We have always upheld this duty, even through hard, dark times. When Prince Depardieu sought refuge here, for instance, or when Coppercus was resurrected.
Running out of green potions is a major inconvenience. Don't forget to buy them in advance from the general merchant.
A red knight? Did you come to punish me? It's my fault that I came back alone. Is that what you're saying? Soon, they'll swallow us all. We must save them. But something's wrong with me.
The villagers have lost their minds. I think it has something to do.
A red knight? Soon, they'll swallow... A red knight? Did you come to...
Mom! Dad!
Hey, kiddo, what's wrong?
My mom and Dad, I can't find them.
His parents have gone missing. To a child, losing their... We have to find the missing people as soon as possible.
Just as you can't hide the sky with your hand alone, the same can be said about the truth. Ah, if it isn't the bugbear, beheader, you've grown well, just like your red hair would suggest. Redheads have a way of overcoming hardships and paving a path of their own, just like the wise King Deckern II.
Grandpa, stop saying weird things like that. Have you seen the missing knights?
Perhaps the island's whispers lured them into darkness. Many people disappeared 130 years ago, too. Back when the waters around half of everyone alive on the Talking Isle disappeared. What happened to the rest? Do you know why? It was because of the High Demon Capricus's resurrection. Legend has it that a demon lay dormant under the earth.
We should just go. When Grandpa Alfred starts, teleport magic, right? We should teleport to the North Island since it's... Something's not right. I'm sure the North Island was never this dark. be any undead on the North Island.
Help! Oh, please save me. Oh, it's the magician. I'm saved. Please, take me back to the village.
Not so fast. Aren't you from the Red Knight Supply Division? What is going on here? Where did all these undead come from?
Well, the dungeon door opened and the undead started pouring out. They kept rambling about, seeing villagers inside the dungeon. So they all headed there. But I saw nothing.
Just get to the point already. Wait, why are all these silver weapons here? Did the other knights head into the dungeon without their weapons? What were you doing?
Oh, what does it matter? There's nothing I could have done anyway. I'm not strong enough to fend for myself. I would have died as soon as I got there. What's the point of anything if I die? There's nothing wrong with trying to survive. You can't blame me for grabbing a few things along the way.
Ugh, not only are you untrustworthy, but you're also without a conscience. Hand over the silver weapons. We will go save them ourselves. If anything has happened to the knights, you'd better be prepared to answer for it. Here, use this instead. It'll be much more effective again. Follow me. I know the way to the dungeon. My god, this blood and these corpses. It's the missing villagers. Wait, I see footprints. Let's follow them. There was some truth in Boris's words. The dungeon door is already open. I've been here before when I took the Red Knight's entry test. I'll take the lead. Follow me. This is the place Grandpa Alfred told us about. We better be careful. Please come over here for a minute. Take this magic doll. Don't let anyone know that I gave you one. Broken magic dolls are supposed to be returned to the magician's lab. But, well, let's just say I wanted to satisfy. I wasn't planning on giving you this. But since the Red Knight's safety is at stake, we need to do all we possibly can. Magic dolls have many functions. Let's check how many of them still work. Thankfully, the hunt support function is still working. It's what matters most. This is cursed residue, occasionally left behind from monsters. You can get a deeper understanding of their true nature by studying their residue. Leaving it like this could be dangerous. We should take it back to the priestess as soon as we return to the village. The potion supply function is working too. Great. These two functions are enough to be a problem. I hope we can fix it later. Then we'll be able to use a lot more features. The potion supply function is working too. Great. These two functions are enough to be a problem. I hope we can fix it later. Then we'll be able to use a lot more features. Let's head downwards. This seems to be a very old book. Let's take a look.
Finally, he has answered our call. We shall become one with the truth as we offer our flesh, soul, and this whole, since he will need a strong vessel to hold his body. We tore apart the bodies of 90 young adults as sacrifice. Since great energy is required to open the door through which he shall enter, we sacrifice the souls of 9 established magicians. Since he will need fresh and vibrant life to descend by our side, I offer my ewe lamb, the heart of my own child. We call for you, great—
How repulsive. Perhaps it's about Capricus? Legend has it that magicians once summoned a demon with that name. Wait, there's something more.
conceited beings believe everything ended once he was sealed. The path shall not close once it is opened. He is still here with us.
The words are written in blood. Ugh, also not written long ago, judging from the fact that the blood's still... That means there are still people around who worship the demon. If this is true, I wonder if the legend of Capricus could repeat itself. Did you hear that? This way, quickly!
Please stop! Wait!
Did you see them? They're the missing villagers. What? Why would they hurt Selena? I don't understand what's going on. One thing's for certain. We have to save her. This cursed undead. Something isn't right. Normally there'd never be this many. We have to hurry. I'm worried sick. Wait, the dungeon is supposed to be off limits from the second floor. We don't know what danger lies ahead of us. Let's use some protective magic before we head inside.